Good morning everyone. We are here at Sky Island Bed and Breakfast. So we just got done doing some yoga, so we're ready for some yummy nutrition and breakfast. So today I'm going to make papaya boats for you guys. So I'm sure you guys have all had either dried papaya or just little chunks of papaya, but you could actually have your own bowl and fill it with whatever you want. So to start, you'll just cut the papaya in half and then scrape out all the seeds, all the pulp inside. And once you're done there, then you could come over and you could fill it up with yogurt, some nice fresh fruit, yummy granola, and our most favorite part, almond butter. So you could get nice creamy almond butter, just drizzle it on. So the sky's the limit with this, right? You could do whatever amount of fruit, yogurt, nut butter. I'm gonna get a little crazy. Add some honey, some sweetness. Yeah. And that's it. Super easy, right?